Hello, I'm Alec Baldwin. You might know me as the guy who beat up that one guy in a parking lot, or the guy that played that baby in that god-awful movie. But right now, I'm going to tell you a story about talking machines called choo-choos, and how their universe and somehow the human world just connects with this piece of track. This is Thomas. He's our number one hero. This is the Susub Island where Thomas and his non-existent friends live. 5, 7, 27, 15, tenders. Gordon, you're stupid, so you have to count. No, I'm counting how many seconds late you are. Oh. What does that sign say? Sauce choo-choos. Not reliable, and late as hell. Signed, head of the choo-choo, the fat man. Well, since you were late, the island is now blowing up. Now, if you excuse me, I'm collecting American terminology, but because for some reason, we speak American terms and not British. This is where things go downhill. Wait, is there a perfectly open spot? Okay. Get out of my way! Oh no, that was Diesel top 10. I wonder where 9 through 1 is. Since why is he the 10th Diesel? I'm not gonna question it anymore. I'm just gonna... Shining time, no one cares. This is your shining time! And by the way, kids, not the whole way through, but somewhere, just somewhere, you're going to help Thomas and me throughout this story. If Diesel came back to... Wait, his name's not Diesel, it's Diesel 10. Why do the whole movie do we keep calling him Diesel when we already have a Diesel and he's literally right here? Huh? Alright, let's move on. Fly, I swear to God, if you don't buzz off, I will buzz you off. I swear to God. Botheration! You weren't doing the concentration test, Thomas. Lucky for you that the help was there. That's what the help is for, to stop me from failing the test. What are you doing in the sheds anyway, James? I'm feeling a little blue. Are you sure about that? Well, I'm just gonna say the troublesome trucks line again, so I can make a reference to the actual Thomas show, and then I can come out again. Lol, I am scared. I have crippling depression. Wait, tell me again. Why are you using a Percy? Because do you really think I have a take-along lady? I see your point. Alright, Splodge, I got a job for you. Actually, it's Ari and Bert. I ain't got time to say both names. Okay, I've come back to I can't say that word. Find a steam engine. Yeah. And I'm just what's the right word so I don't get in trouble? Dispose of it. Yeah, that's what it is. Dispose of it. Yeah. So I'm gonna find it and I'm gonna dispose of it. And you gonna help me. But Mr. Conductor, I'll do it! I want. And I'll kill Pinchy. Oh, it is a very important day. I best be going. Sparkle. Well, you see, Thomas, I'm having trouble with my gold dust. Okay. Well, Mr. Conductor, Diesel's back and he's bullying us. Don't worry, Thomas. I will solve racism. This is not a licensed song. With the lawsuits here and the lawsuits there. Small. Teeny weedy. saucy sprockets. I'm not even going to include the next scene because it scared me when I first saw the movie, so we're just going to move on. Hawk shoe. Now to make a cool budget scene. Oh my god, it's Diesel! Don't worry guys, I got this. Sugar. I did it. James is here, I bet you're gonna like your scene. Up a bit. Oh, yeah, that feels good. Please don't give people ideas. Well, too late. Well, now that you did that, I'm gonna leave you alone. I'm gonna go to the windmill. Now you get to work. Hey look, I found the windmill. Dang it. The whole day is ruined because Mr. Conductor's not at the windmill. I think he lost all of his gold dust. My smoke must feels like poop. Probably from the dumb Diesel. I'm smiling because I like saying stuff that might happen to us. Like, I fear that'll destroy us all. Toby, I fear for you sometimes. Now, if you excuse me, I'm going to look for Mr. Wait. Did I already find him? Nah, I'm gonna look for it again to add filler. Beep, beep! Beep, 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 beep! No, Birdie, I don't want to race. Beep, beep, beep! Why does he have to do car noises every time he talks? Care that this random rap it just gave me. Come. Plane. Train. Mountain. Fountain. Bicycle. Wait. Are these drugged? You know what? This video is getting too long. We're just going to skip to the last two best scenes. And no, Thomas traveling through the magic railroad is not one of them. Please save us. Oh no, I don't know. Here I come. James the Brains. Get us out of here. What? Flying, Junior. Oh. Bye, Junior. Pretend these are the magic buffers. Poof. Poof. Aha! There's the blue puffball. Run, lady! Quickly, and I'm going to help you. Oh wait, no. Go. Wait a minute. Lady. That engine's name is Lady. She's part of the clue to the source of the gold dust. Swiggy, swiggy, swooty. Coming for that train booty. Oh no, the track's cracking. Well, lady, this is your shining time too. Oh, that's how it connects. Well done, Thomas. Oh, wait. Magic, Beesh. Purple. No. Now we're trying to make this video as realistic as possible, so let's just say that Diesel 10 is drowned and he doesn't come back in that god-awful movie. And all of it turned out in the end. Lady never appeared back. These two bozos got their gold dust back. And Thomas is still bad. You know what? I'm kind of glad I'm not in this. Well, I'm just gonna go.